up guys, this is your girl Mizuki and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to start off the year by doing an unboxing for Artsnacks for the month of January. Yes, so I'm going to start from scratch. I know I missed like 3 months. I did film them all, but then I feel like I was so behind that it didn't really matter actually filming them. So I'm starting January 2020. Let's get to it. This month we have a couple of things. I actually opened up the box. It is right here. So if you guys don't know, Artsnacks is a company that you sign up. I don't know if you know Ipsy, like all those makeup ones. They actually have unboxing and they give you art supplies, like full-on art supplies. I think 5 or 4. And they basically give it to you and you pay monthly, or you can pay for a whole year subscription kind of thing. So it's really cool. So let's get to what we have in the box. Before we start, I do apologize for the noise. My son is next to me. He's in the walker, so he's actually banging into things. So bear with me, and if you can't tolerate it, you know the exit. You can leave. I really don't like hate comments. So other than that, let's get to the video. Start off, we're gonna be talking about the Cinelli abstract acrylic 3D linear paint thingy. It's just linear, it doesn't say pen or anything like that, but it gives us details. So this is the good thing about Artsnacks. It gives you like a little menu on what you got about the product, which is really cool. So it says here, this is a new product and it's the staff favorite. So when they say staff favorite, it means they Artsnacks staff, they think this is one of their favorite ones. They know that this is one of their favorite ones. So let me go into the box. So here it is, guys. It fell on the floor. So here it is. It's really cool. I really don't know what it is. It says 3D linear, so I'm guessing it shows you right here. Like it's like a really thin tip, and it could be like an embossed kind of feel. So anyway, let me read about the product. It says it's a paint in a new dimension with Cinelli. I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing it wrong. I do apologize, so don't attack me or anything like that. It's an abstract acrylic 3D linear. This unique tool has a tapered tip that lets you apply paint directly onto your canvas with ease. Achieves 3D effect, contouring, and precise line work with its creamy, heavy body paint. Okay, so that's cool. That's what I said. It's like an embossed kind of thing. The transparent tube allows you to see the paint true color and can also be refilled with more of the abstract acrylic paint once it's emptied. So, alright, that's pretty cool. Guys, let's see this again. Sorry. Can you not press the buttons? So I'm actually going to do a swatch for you. Have my pad right over here. So let's see, I just don't want to, I think I don't have to break it, right? No, I don't. So that's pretty cool. Look at it. Right. So you push it and then it comes out. So it is 3D, guys. It's pretty cool. I'm pretty sure you can do a whole bunch of stuff with it because it is acrylic. So you can actually blend it, use brush and all that stuff. So that's actually really cool. Oh, my bad. You guys are so close. Cool. I like this. So guys, at the end of the video, I don't know if you, obviously in the title is going to say /giveaway. Every year I do like a big one end of the year giveaway. So this is starting for the new one. So if I don't like products that come on here, or if I have products in my studio that I do not like, I do put it in a box and I do a big giveaway at the end of the year. If the amount of supplies that I have is sufficient to give to 2 people, to 2 winners, then that's awesome as well. But I am going to be doing the end of the year giveaway for this video. So if you guys want to participate, stay at the end of the video. And hopefully you're one of the lucky ones to win. So let's get rolling. He's staring at me. Stop copying me, bro. What's wrong with you? Hmm? So for the last item that I actually stated, I completely forgot about the retail. The cool thing about this, it also tells you the retail. So it's $4.95 for the retail if you want to go purchase it on your own. That's not bad. It's pretty affordable. The next item in our menu is called the Marabou Art Crayon. Am I saying? I don't even know. Crayon, not crayon, like crayon. It's crayon. So the next thing is the Marabou Art Crayon. This retails for $3.99. Another affordable item. So let's see what it looks like. So the cool thing is they sent me a purple one. Yeah, last year I had a lot of repeated colors. Like in one box I had like 3 orange art supplies. Right? I was like, what? No. So I like different colors. So when I actually paint and do the demonstration, I would like to show you some different kind of techniques and stuff like that too. So anyway, this is the Marabou Art Crayon. So let's see what this Marabou Art Crayon is about. It says, add an exciting twist to your artwork with the Marabou Art Crayon. This buttery smooth wax based pastel stick is suitable for both wet and dry techniques. The highly pigmented color easily blends and pops off the page when brushed with water. I'm sorry. It says, let's see. If the tip wears down, you rotate the retractable body to produce more. Okay, so that's cool. Where the hell did I put it though? So this is what it looks like. Showing you. It looks like a children's crayon. It says mixed media, which is so cool. Oh. So I got a nice purple one, and it retracts. It's pretty cool. Okay, so let's give it a whirl. So it is water soluble, so you can mix with water like it says. So I have another set of these, but not by Art Crayola Marabou. I got something else. I want to review that set because the one that I tried is buttery. I actually got from Artsnacks too. So buttery. I just love the feeling. I don't know. It's just very soothing. But I hope this is the same thing. Oh my god, yes. You can like super light. And it says that it's like a water, so you can actually like, it's like a mixed media, so you can actually dissolve it into water base. So let's jump into the next one, because the next one, it's a paintbrush. So I wanted to use that paintbrush to actually work both the other supply, the orange one that I got and this one, to see if they're both water. I know one of them is water, but the other one's acrylic, so I'm pretty sure you could do, you can add water to it, which is really cool too. So let's get to the brush. We get a brush. So guys, if you don't know and you haven't seen my previous Artsnacks, the brushes I don't give away, because I feel like the brushes, I never spend money on my brushes. I usually get like the dollar ones, the one packet for 10 bucks with 20 brushes. So I never really spend money on a $9 brush, a $5 brush, and I know Artsnacks does send out really expensive brushes, so I do keep those. So unfortunately I don't put them in the art giveaway. Oh well. Like this one, for example. This one right here is the next one we're gonna be talking about. So this one is called King Art. It's by King Art, original gold 9300 series golden Taklon brush, shader size 10. So this one retails, guys, for $14.99. Yes, like I said, guys, I do not spend money on my brushes, so I do keep these. $14.99 is pretty expensive on a brush, so I am not gonna actually I'm not actually gonna go out and spend this for this brush at all. But I am gonna keep it. What? Oh my god, what are you doing, child of mine? So let's read about it. King Art designs their brushes with the artist in mind, manufacturing them to survive years of steady use. The original Gold 9300 series Golden Taklon brush features smooth filaments that have been baked for softness and optional absorption. Okay. The square shape of this shader brush creates crisp edges and offers precise control in tight spaces. So I do need a brush like this. I go in through details and stuff like this. So look at this. I love new brushes. I do. So I have here my bucket. It's so freaking filthy. But I have my water. So obviously this one works. The crayon works really good. Let me just put more water on my brush. Let's try this one. So this one actually is drying really hard already, but you can still use it as a watercolor, which is really nice. I like this a lot. So the next thing and last thing for today is a Tombow mono drawing pencil. This one retails for $1.40. It's just a regular pencil, so I am definitely going to add this into the giveaway box because I have a ton of pencils. But if it does work really good, then I might keep it. Let's read about this. It says, a successful sketch start with a good graphite pencil. The Tombow mono drawing pencil is smooth and strong to the core, which means you'll experience fewer broken points. The superior high density graphite produces smears proof lines and crisp clean drawings. Alright, so let's test it out. It says it's smear proof, produces smear proof. So I'm not sure because you know how your hands have oils? Oils make it smearable. It's not like the pen, it's just the oils in your hands when you're like drawing, and you know that's why a lot of people put gloves on, or they use can you not touch my book, boo? Or they use like a cloth to when they actually draw. This is the cloth, right? And then you know you draw without smearing it. But anyway, let's continue on doing this. Dude, it smears. I don't know what they're talking about. Maybe, I don't know. It's just a regular pencil. Like I said, I will give it to the giveaway. A pencil's a pencil. I usually use lead pencils, guys. This is my Peg Owl travel kit. So this is all like my stuff that I actually use. I did do a video on this and what I have in here. So I know I didn't do it last year. I'm gonna be trying something new. And the thing is that I'm doing is I'm actually, after every Artsnacks unboxing, I'm gonna be actually using these supplies here in my little sketchbook. So I did start last year, but I kind of like dozed off of it. I guess I got really lazy, and I gotta stop being lazy, guys. I gotta stop. Bad, you know. But anyway, I put like the little stickers because we do get a sticker in every box. Where's my sticker? Oh, here you go. You see, I got a sticker, and I actually collect them. I've been collecting like the different type of designs, which is really cute. And yeah, I'm gonna fill up this whole thing with it. So I'll show you. This was Artsnacks 19th of January, bro. January, and this is the beginning of the book. And it's 2020. So as you can see, so this is the art supplies that I used. And then I did one Artsnacks 2019 of March. I want to continue along that process, like to actually, boy, keep this there. So I want to actually keep this going. I think it will just to fill up the whole book with Artsnacks, a couple of things. That would be really cool. So I'm actually eager. So I'm actually going to show you all the art supplies that I actually mentioned today. And I'm going to actually go through it and make a little sketch for you guys. Alright guys, so I finished my little sketch. And here is my finished product. Look at it. I used everything. I hope that it does dry because it is kind of like embossed, which I like the texture on it. I wanted to leave the texture. So this is the end of the video, and you guys, I know, are impatient and want to enter how to enter the end of the year giveaway. So basically the end of the year is all the supplies that I've been collecting for a long time. It's all, some are new and some are used. It just depends on what is there. So there's gonna be one winner. Unfortunately, there's not that many supplies in here to separate them, but I have from Crink here. I don't really use them as much, to like some of the dry pastels, and then some spray paint, kind of art spray they're called. It's pretty cool. It's new. I only used it once. But yeah, so how do you enter? So go ahead down to my Instagram. I'm going to be posting a photo on how to enter the giveaway. So the way you can enter it is through Instagram, because YouTube is kind of difficult with all that stuff with following, who unfollows me and stuff like that. So I prefer that you guys go down to Instagram, and if you are a follower, that's really good. That's one of the credentials for you to submit. And yeah, so follow the rules. Go ahead down to my Instagram and check the photo out, okay? So that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you guys like the new, the way that I'm doing it, using all the supplies and actually showing you what I've done. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below what other stuff you want to see. Don't forget to actually go follow my other social media, like my Instagram, my Facebook, my Twitter. And yeah, that's it. This is your girl Mizuki, and I am out.